Good morning from Bedford. Is that where I'm at? Bedford, Pennsylvania. I am out there. I took the long drive through the mountains this morning. This is somewhere that's super crapshooty. I haven't been here since the summertime. It's kind of a hike, but I have a lot of fun stuff in the store today, and I'm starting it off at Hokey Geese Flea Market. Now, I definitely normally am just an antique mall person. I'm kind of bypassing the crafts and the flea market stuff, but this place is awesome. They have a big variation of stuff. I mean, you can get anything from shampoo to doors to antiques here. It's definitely hit or miss, but I kind of love the randomness of it. I've found some stuff here in the past, like those little angels. That whole box is only $5. Again, it's in a locked case though, which is pretty much my least favorite thing in the world. I'm gonna keep going since I just walked in the door and see what else they got before I commit to opening cases. Now, this booth has some really interesting stuff. However, I remember the prices were a little scandalous, although the prices on these Christmas bulbs look pretty cheap, actually. What are those sheep? Oh, there's not what I thought they were. Again, I'm like so disappointed. A lot of this stuff's in cases. This doll's really funny, but there's no price tag. What's going on the other side with these pose dolls? Whoop! Oh my gosh. $35 for the set. That's about what my last set sold of these for. Yeah, definitely a little bit of everything here. Literally. When I say this place is a total crapshoot and mixed bag, I am not kidding. This is one of those places you really never know what you're gonna find and what price you're gonna find it for. I know that's new, but it was so cute. I had to look anyway. All right, a lot going on here. I love the candles here. I mean, I'm a sucker for those bulbs. I have them in pretty much everything in my bedroom. I was excited about these bunnies, but now that I'm getting closer, they look to be a little bit newer than I'd like. It's kind of fun, but again, on the newer side. This is another little nook that I've found some pretty awesome deals before. What are these mugs? Oh, they're, I believe these are treasure craft. Those are pretty adorable. I'm not the craziest about them though. I'm gonna be pretty picky today since I know where I'm going next, especially. Well, this is very unexpected. Oh my gosh. This one's only $29. Oh, that's so awesome. Blow molds are usually so expensive. 30% off? Stop. Okay, let me calm down for a second. First of all, the soldiers, $45. I really don't like messing with this stuff though. However, this is pretty epic. If I still had a booth, I would definitely somehow manage to fit that in my vehicle home. I mean, they're just so reasonably priced. It's actually insane. Let me take a look at the smaller ones, since these I actually would not mind shipping. $39. It's not bad, but not enough to get me super excited about. $27. Yeah, I'm pretty stingy when it comes to that stuff. That Santa Claus is a great one, and it's only $79 and 30% off. Now, every part of me wants to get a little carried away and fill my car with this stuff. Like, especially now I'm seeing these candles. These are like really legit, the heavy duty ones, but I'm just not trying to mess with it as much as I'm tempted to, because I feel like I could marketplace this stuff when I move next week. But what is happening here? We're gonna have to dig through that. All right, well, I dug through that entire thing. There was really nothing in there for me, but it was exciting. I love digging for stuff. Oh my gosh, and look. Here's this one. Ah! $45. That's so inexpensive with the discount especially. Oof. All right, let me reel it in. I'm gonna keep looking. So they have a few smalls on this side. Little Amberina. Oh my gosh, $15 and 30%. But it's got a chip on it there. What is this? Oh wow, those are quite spectacular. $8 and 30% off. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and grab these. I've never even seen this set before. It's amazing that the paint on the face is as intact as it is. That was a tongue twister. Also, this cigar box is actually pretty hilarious. Oh, and then do these have the, oh, I thought they would have the, they have nude ladies usually on the side of those. Here's some more interesting stuff in the booth next door. Now, I looked at that rabbit. It was kind of pricey the last time. It's been here for a while. Whoa, look at that giant owl lamp. Gosh, and it's only 20 bucks. I have a shade that would be perfect for that too. Oh, it's so hard not to get stuff for myself that I really don't need. But even so, like I said, now that I'm moving back to the DC area, it would be so easy to marketplace some of this stuff. Even with its button eyes, I mean, it's in really good condition. Oh, I'm gonna wait. I'm gonna hold out. But what are these? $4 for the pair. Let's open these up to see how their condition is. So they've got a little bit of wear, but for $4, I'm gonna go ahead and take them. Just need a little cleaning on the face. They won't be perfect, but for that price, I'm not really gonna complain. Okay, this is hilarious. I was about to just walk right past it, but I'm now seeing that it says all others will be towed, T-O-A-D, for $10. Rachel just got a new truck, and she's like, I was gonna hang out. Whoop! I was gonna hang out with her today, but she's busy decking it out. So I kind of feel like this might be. Oh, but she lives in the complex. Dang! I kind of want to get her this sign. Ah! I am like so overwhelmed. There's so much stimulation here. Oh my gosh, this snowman is so cute. Oh, let's see. Is there a discount? Christmas. I can't figure out the tag. I can't read that far. This is very confusing. I can't tell if this is half price sale. It's very confusing if this is half price or not, to be honest. Half price and more, part price is marked in red. Okay, so it's not, but it's still quite spectacular. I love the starry eyes. Unfortunately, at $10, I'm just not crazy about it, especially because it's a hobbyist piece. Not that there's anything wrong with hobbyist pieces, just not for $10. Okay, this tea towel is adorable with the little snowman. $6. It's in really good condition. I'm not sure how much luck I'd have with that, but because of the little snowman and the fact that it's as in good condition as it is, I think I'm just gonna go ahead and pick it up because we all know what a sucker for a happy face snowman I am. Oh my gosh, there's just so much stuff everywhere. I love all the ornaments and the bulbs, but I don't really mess with those. And I don't have much luck with these berries. It's the, what are they called? The figurines. Oh, I'm so scatterbrained right now. I think I'm actually gonna get this princess parking sign. It's so funny. I sent a couple pictures to my friends and they were like, dude, if you don't get that, you're crazy. So I'm gonna get it and hold on to it. I'm not sure what for, but it's just too epic not to. All right, I'm back. I love this little Fisher Price rattle. I've bought and sold these in the past. I thought they would sell pretty quick. They actually took a long time, and I have one sitting in a box somewhere that I haven't listed. I bought like a couple of them because they were $4 each. Little Christmas brooches. Look at this hippopotamus. Wow, that's really epic. All right, now we're getting more into, ooh, I'm not sure what's going on there actually. I'm not sure what I thought that was, but it's definitely not it. $16.50 for the elf. Weird squirrel art, seems important. And oh my gosh, wait, look at this blue dog. This otter. Ah. How much is he? $18.50. I don't think I can swing that. I could still make a couple bucks off of it, but I've actually had that before. Oh, but wait, look. This is a really hard tin to find. $9.50. I'm definitely gonna go ahead and grab this. It's made by Horners in England, and it usually sells pretty well when I get it. Oh my gosh, look at this cute little jewelry box. Oh, and it's got a ballerina in it. $12.50. Does it work? No, it doesn't have a key. It's got a little stain and she's got a broken arm. It's very cute, but for $12.50, I'm gonna let that one go. If it was a little bit less, I would accept its damage. Cute little squeak bear. It doesn't really squeak, but it's adorable. It's only $4. Oh, my squeaks have been kind of tough, but I haven't had this one. I won't sell it for much, probably like $9 or $10. What the heck?